Do you have money in your crypto account on Binance, but you live in the UK and you can't withdraw, nor can you actually purchase anything on Binance using your debit card or bank transferring? Well, I've got the solution for you. Let's find out how to get money onto Binance or withdraw it from Binance. Hello, my name is Jutan Al Ahmed. As many of you already know me if you are subscribed. If you are not, make sure you do subscribe, lol. Anyway, so I'm actually on Coinbase. Now you might be thinking, why am I on Coinbase? This is a Binance video, isn't it? This is so clickbait. No. So basically, the solution that I found is you need two exchange accounts, right? One which is Binance, which you probably already have, especially if you come from a different country or something and you've come into the UK and now they don't allow you to do anything on it. Basically, with your other exchange account, so I'm using Coinbase for this example, you would have to basically transfer your asset, so it can be USDT or whatever, to your Binance through crypto blockchain, through the blockchain, rather than doing a bank transfer or anything like this. So I'm going to go show you an example of this just to show it does come up. So I've got this Coinbase account and I've also got a Binance account. This Binance it's just there, so it's got a tiny bit of Ethereum, a couple of pennies. Anyways, so I've just put in a couple of quid into Solana. Solana's a quick network in my opinion. So this is just an account that I just do use here and there. So let's go quickly onto portfolio, and yeah, Solana. I'm just gonna do a withdrawal. So this is what you need to do. If it's from Binance to Coinbase or Coinbase to Binance, you're gonna need to do the withdraw or deposit function. Okay. What we're doing right now is we're withdrawing our Solana to our Binance. If you wanted to withdraw money from your Binance account to Fiat, which is what some people want to do, they'd want to cash out, you'd have to do it on an exchange which the UK allow, which is FCA regulated or whatever, because they're the exchange which allows you to withdraw to your bank account, which is what you would have to do, right? So I'm just going to show you how I'm going to be withdrawing to Binance, then Binance to Coinbase again, and then a withdraw to your bank, which is what you would need to do. So it's a whole flow here. So let's first go on to our Binance and get our Solana wallet address. So I'm going to do deposit in this because I'm going to be depositing money into my Binance account. Let's check Solana. So Sol. Now, we're actually not going to do it on the BNB smart chain. We're going to do it on the Solana network itself. So as you can see, the estimated arrival is 2 minutes. It's going to cost basically pretty much no Solana. This is the deposit address. Copy that and then put it into Coinbase. Now we're going to click on the withdraw function. Withdraw. Allow the paste. I'm going to allow it. Yeah, great. I'm actually going to save this as a contact. Okay, let's go back. Save that as a contact as my Binance Solana, right? Save, so it's just there in the future if I ever wanted to use it. It's not even letting me save it. That's a bit odd. But okay, it's not letting me save it. What I will do is verify the last few digits. So there it says 57W23 and KS52M. So 57W23, let's see. 57W23 and then KS52M. See, this is just to verify that this is the correct address. Let's put it in now. So I'm going to do max amount. So it's going to be £4.89 going. The Solana network's only going to charge 0.01 and I'm going to do send now. Now I've actually got a security key that's a security YubiKey that's connected to my account, or yeah. So anyways, that's doing that transaction there. You guys will have to probably put in a SMS text or an email text or whatever security two-factor authentication that you have with your Coinbase. Let's do done now. So that should have okay, it's pending. It's going to hopefully complete that transaction soon. It's saying 21 seconds left. I want to ask you one thing. Did you buy the dip? If you didn't, well, there will hopefully be other chances. Let's be hopeful. But anyways, I've interrupted this video. Why? Because I want to tell you about my store. My store on jbinzala.xyz. This is where you can buy my merch and also my video LUTs if you wanted to create any type of content like this. And most interestingly for all of you, which I know it will be, my asset portfolio. Do check my website out. I have my asset portfolio of crypto, how much percentage I put into which asset, and my stock and shares portfolio. Do check my website out. But let's not further delay. Let's get straight back into it. Okay, Sol deposit processing. Your deposit is processing. That's what it's saying here. Interesting. Okay, address, transaction ID is there. Okay, so it's saying that it's confirmed it, or it's confirming it. It just took a few minutes, even though it said confirmed on the Coinbase side. Okay, I think it's come in. Let's see. Okay, interesting. It's still getting confirmed. Okay. There we go. Deposit been successful. Okay, so there we go. 0.0349 Solana, 6 USDT of Solana. Okay, that's nice. That's cute. Lol. Let's do a withdrawal, right? Because I wanted to see. Okay, so you see, it doesn't let you sell it on Binance. On the Ethereum, I checked it. It was saying that, or it would, or whatever. Withdraw. It's not letting you. For some reason, it's saying on Ethereum that it does. Oh no, it doesn't. That's interesting. Why did it say that earlier? Let's find out. Withdraw. Sell in GBP. Solana. The sale of the asset is not supported. I wonder if Ethereum actually is. From my understanding, it's not. But I'm just showing you a quick way to do it anyways. So anyway, this is the alternative way. So Solana now. I'm going to be withdrawing this back to... So send via the crypto network. Send this back to my Coinbase account. Address. So let's get that from Coinbase. Deposit. This will be on the Solana network. Only send Solana to... Yep. So I'm going to be sending it on the Solana network, right? Let's go back into Binance. Address. Paste it there. Network. Solana network. It's actually already pre-checked and saying it's a Solana network. Withdrawal max. That is hilarious. So apparently the withdrawal must be at least 0.2 Solana. Obviously it's not here, and so it's not going to let me. But let me just quickly show you on Coinbase. What you would do, right, is after you've got it, you would go into your withdrawal and you would do withdraw GBP, for example, and then to your bank account. You transfer it to your bank account. So you do max and then transfer to whatever account and then do preview, right? After you do preview, okay, it's saying that the amount's too low. But yeah, you do preview and then you could withdraw it to your bank account. I hope that this did give a better understanding. Sadly, obviously, I didn't put enough Solana in. I didn't realize that that's how much you had to put in. But the process is the same. It's not something that's new now that I need to show you. Hopefully, you do understand. You'd have to withdraw. Hopefully, actually, it's good that there was less money in there. The reason is, some people might not want to do it all in one go. They might want to do a bit. And this just shows you that there are minimum thresholds, right? So 0.2 Solana right now is the minimum to withdraw. So I'm going to basically be waiting for that to increase or whatever. I might just buy whatever other coin with that amount of money there and yeah, transfer it over to a hardware wallet because I'm a self-custody advocate, as I always mention. But yeah, hopefully this video was insightful and it gave you a bit of an idea of how to withdraw to your bank account. Just to give you a quick flow once again, just verbally, from your Binance account to your Coinbase, or it can be Kraken, or it could be any other exchange that the UK allows you to withdraw to a bank account, okay, to a UK bank account, for example. So Binance to that account, and then from that account with the withdraw function to your bank account. And that's how you withdraw any funds that you had on your Binance account to a UK bank account. Hopefully that makes sense. And yeah, if you have any questions, do comment down below, and hopefully I'll respond to all of them for you, just to clarify anything else. But yeah, do subscribe to my channel if you're new here. I upload videos of crypto and guides and tech unboxings, and yeah, so lastly, let's not forget, together let's break free from the shackles of modern slavery. I'll see you all in my next video. Take care. Bye bye.